welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I wanted to film a no foundation makeup look. This look, I have been doing it for the past couple of months and I absolutely love it because it doesn't take up too much of my time. I'm not applying so much makeup on my face. It makes me feel like breathable and it's super refreshed. I really like it and I wanted to share with you guys. The good news is that all the products that I have in this video are super affordable. They're drugstore products. So anyways, enough talking. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now let's jump right into it. Okay, before we start putting anything on our face, I need to get my hair out of my face. So I'm going to be using these clips to hold my hair back. Now I'm going to be adding the Wet n Wild. So my face, I already washed it and I added moisturizer. Now we're going to be going in with the Wet n Wild, a Prime Focus, a primer serum. As you can see, I really like it and I'm almost done with it. I'm just going to take some of it and put it right here. And guys, I've been really trying to take care of my skin so that way I don't have to apply makeup. And so far it's going okay. I just have these like scars from my last period that I broke out. And as you can see, all of my freckles. And then I'm gonna be applying this Lift and Firm eye cream. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I believe I shared it with you guys in one of my skincare routine videos for the Dollar Tree. So this is how much I'm applying. So this stuff really works, even though it's from the Dollar Tree, it really works. I find that it works, so I'm gonna be applying some of it right here underneath. And next, we are going to be applying the LA Color Pro Concealer, the HD Concealer, and it's in the color Yellow Corrector. Just wherever you have dark spots, that's where you want to apply it. I'm pretty sure you guys saw in one of my videos where I did the Face Made puff, the infamous triangle puff that everyone's been raving about in the beauty community. So I've been using this to blend in my concealer. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go in with the Fit Me Pressed Powder, and it is the Matte Poreless in the color 220, and I am hitting the pan, which is time for me to go get another one, but it is just enough for what I need today. So I'm just gonna go in wherever I have any like shininess or wherever I applied the concealer just to set everything. Okay, now that that's all set, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. I'm using this one, yes, I'm gonna take a little bit of this one right here too. Well, my forehead is a little bit tan because of those few days that came in that were like super hot. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm just gonna apply it here. Next, I'm gonna be applying some blush and I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink. It looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. And as you can tell that this is my everyday makeup because I'm hitting pan on almost a lot of these things. I'm gonna take a little bit of the highlight. I'm gonna use this one. I'm just gonna apply it here, just really lightly, right here. And then with this brush, I'm gonna go in with this color. This is the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blush Lighter. It looks like. So here you have some color and here you have some shimmer. So we're gonna go with the shimmer and we're just gonna apply it up to the top of the eyebrow bone and into this corner right here. And now I'm gonna go in with the color and I'm gonna apply it into the rest of my eyelid and going all the way to the top. And I'm sorry guys, the brush, it has two sides. It has this side and it has this side. And we're gonna do the eyebrows. Since I just did my eyebrows, I don't have to do too much to them. And guys, I'm sorry, I didn't mention what I use for my eyebrows. It really hasn't changed. It's been the same. All it is just a basic black eyeshadow that I only use for my eyebrows, and sometimes I'll use it as eyeliner as well. And I'm just using an angle brush. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. And if you guys see me, then I'm looking to the sides because I have like a little mirror. I'm gonna be going in with the Wet n Wild's Mega Volume Mascara in the color Very Black. I'm gonna go with the mascara and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up. And I'm just gonna add some chapstick. And guys, that is it for my no foundation makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up by freshening up my hair and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Ended up just freshening up my hair. And yeah, this is the look, guys. I've been doing this every single day and I find that it's super easy and super quick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok because I'm trying to grow on those social media platforms as well. And if you have any video requests, then make sure to leave it down in the comments down below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I love making videos for you guys. And until next time, bye.